What's going on, guys? So I just finished installing this little stubby exhaust here that I picked up on Alibaba for $11, and obviously this is the factory exhaust here. So it looks pretty good in my opinion. You can't beat that. Well, $11. So this is going to be the first startup. Let's see how this thing is going to sound, but pretty basic. You know, we had one bolt over here for the exhaust right there, one bolt there, and then just this collar. That's all it was, and the thing came right off. Factory exhaust came right off. I'm going to actually remove this bracket because I'm not going to need it. You know, there's those two screws right there, and that's what it's going to look like. So let me just put this exhaust down and then we'll fire it up. Alright, here we go. Let's see what this thing's going to sound like. Definitely a little louder. It does have a little silencer inside that you can remove if you want it a little louder, but I wanted to try it with the silencer right now. I don't find it to be obnoxious. Let's give it a couple of minutes and let it warm up, and I'll give it a couple of revs. Alright guys, we're back. It's been a couple of minutes. Let's give it a couple of reps, see what this thing sounds like. Oh yeah, definitely sounds better. You heard a pop there also. Pretty clean. I mean, obviously there's nothing there, there's no exhaust, just a tip. I'm going to take it for a blast right now. It looks good in my opinion. Can't beat the price. $11. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.